Here, right knee up, right hand up, guys. Break it down. Right hand up, right knee up. Ready, guys? Put your left hand down when we're balanced. So your right knee has to be up, your right hand has to be up. Now watch, the knee comes down. Now as it comes down, guys, my hand, okay, as it slides through, it does not grab my ribs. Grab your ribs into a barrel roll sideways. Ready, guys? As it comes down, I'm still looking at the ground. Last second, guys, I turn my head and I place my face, okay, with my shoulder. Okay, where all that muscle, you know, and all the muscle and all flesh is. So from right, guys, I come right through and I slide and I slide a little chip over my own arm. I'll use your other arm again. Okay, ready? From right here, guys, just go right through, roll, and then pop right up. Okay, we're ready to go again. Ready? Right knee out. Make sure you have your right knee out. If you start your right knee out, it'll be a lot easier. So right knee out, same thing, we'll break it down. Ready? Everybody break it down. Hands up. Hands up. Use your nose. Just break it down. Ready? Okay, hand down, knee down. Now remember, guys, the core part, go right across your knee and actually touch your knee with your hand. Ready? Now trip over your own arm. Do a shoulder roll right back up, and look up straight. You look good? Okay, ready. One more beat. Right hand up. Ready? Left hand down. Right knee down. Looking right at that ground as the hand's starting to come right through. And guys, let's do a little monkey roll. Just trip over on arm and then just spin fast. Then I come right up. Good. Hand up. Good. Ready? On your own. Hand up. Let's see. You guys, take your time. Break it down like I just did it, guys. Just say to yourself, let's say one hand down, put the knee down, slide the hand through, break it down if you're brand new at it. If you do for a while,